Okay, heartily welcome, dear students, for the lecture series of Design of Machine Elements 1. In the series lectures, we are going to cover the various topics related with the different machine elements, starting from concept to the product developments. So means when you are going to design some elements, initially we are going to prepare some concept or generate the idea and converted this idea and the concept in the actual products. So between these two, concept to the products, the various theory is required, various design process is required for development of that machine elements related with the applied load, related with the selection of the materials, related with the different theories of failures, and related with the various safety. So in this series we are going to cover these all topics about the different machine elements. So today we are going to discuss on the design processes for the machine elements. So the outline of this today's lecture is we are going to cover the features of design, the basic procedure of the machine design, then the basic requirement of the machine elements, design the simple machine element which is used for the various machine assembly, and the considerations in design for that machine elements. The objective of this today's lecture is study and apply the design process for different machine elements, and after successfully complete these lectures, students are able to apply design process for design the different machine elements. Design. What is meant by the design and where it is applicable? So this design word is present in different sectors like as architecture design, product design, software design, program designs, building designs, etc. etc. For this all design, the process is same. Instead of the theories which is used based on that applications. In architectures, the theory is different. In software design, theory is different. In program design, theory is different. In machine design, we are totally focused on the different machine elements which are used in the assembly of machines. Machine design is defined as the use of scientific principles, technical informations, and imaginations in the descriptions of a machines or a mechanical system to perform specific functions with maximum economy and efficiency. The definition of machine design contains various important features. If these features is unknown about that the designer, then there is no meaning to design that elements for that machine assembly. And these features like as a designer uses principles of basic and the engineering sciences such as physics, mathematics, static and dynamic fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, vibrations, and even some principles like as Newton's law, D'Albert's law, Carnot's cycle, Bernoulli's principle, etc., etc. This theory is required for design the different machine elements. Let's take the one example. If we design the one elements for the vibration purpose, and if the vibration theory is unknown about that the designer, then obviously such element will be failed based on the continuous vibration. So means designer always collect the some principles, apply the principles, apply the theories for that machine elements. Then the designer has the technical informations of the basic elements of the machines, and these elements include the fastening devices such like as nut and bolts, gear drives, chain, belts, and so on. The designer knows the relative advantage and disadvantage of these basic elements and their suitability in the different applications. Obviously, number of machine elements is available in our surrounding related with the different applications, and if we are unknown about that functions, then it is difficult to use the proper elements for that systems, for that machine assembly. Then the designer uses his skill, his own skill and the imaginations to produce the configurations which is the combinations of the basic elements. However, this combination is unique and different in the different situations. The proper intellectual part of constructing a proper configurations is creative in the natures. So means designer builds his own ideas, own concept for development of that products and use some creativity from the natures and inbuilt that shape, that creativity in that elements. The final outcome of this design process consists of the descriptions of the machines. The description is in the form of drawing of assembly and the individual components. It is a journey of product design from concept to the final products. So for the manufacturing that elements for assembly and disassembly, drawing is an main parameters. So you can convert the products in the drawings, either you can develop in the individual components. Then the design is created to satisfy a recognized need of the customers. If the designer is not designed that elements or the product based on the customer requirement, then obviously the demand of that product is minimum in the markets. The need may be perform a specific functions with maximum economy and the efficiency. Obviously, efficiency is the criteria for each and every elements. Efficiency may be in the life cycle, efficiency may be in the revolutions, efficiency is maybe in the hours, and efficiency is maybe in the present of the currency. So these all aspects are related with the machine design processes. So means in short, designer know the various principles and theories, and he is apply that theories and principle for the products. He is also have the good technical knowledge about the different machine elements which are available in the markets. He will be use his own skill and the imaginations for development of the products, and the final outcome of the product is nothing but the engineering drawing, either the production drawing, and obviously the design, it should be depends on the customer needs,